Guys, how you doing? Welcome to my show. My name is Victor Anyanwu. They call me the social media oracle, and today I'm going to talk about another interesting thing. Right now, many of you, when you're running your ads, you go online, you want to run ads, fine, you do the usual boost and promote. By the way, I don't encourage that. I don't advise that you boost or you promote your post, but that's what you guys do, right? You do the usual boost and you promote, right? And when you get to the audience area, you pick interest, you pick online behavior, right? They're interested in this, interested in that, interested in selling, interested in shopping, right? Pretty cool, right? But what you don't know is you're paying a lot more for that, right? It's really expensive because you did not go down to the Facebook ads platform to run, real ads so that you can pick some cool stuff there, right? That would actually even end up reducing your advert spend, right? Yeah, did you know that it costs about 5 to 6 times more to get a new customer than to retain an old one? So it costs more to get a customer that hasn't heard about you, doesn't know anything about you, right? But it is way cheaper to retain an older customer, to do business with an older customer, or see how that older customer can help you get another customer. Way cheaper. It will actually reduce your advert budget. I'll talk more about this when I come back. Meanwhile, please follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Snapchat, and on LinkedIn. I am Victor Anyanwu, the social media oracle. Or you just follow my handle. My handle is at the Oracle VA. At TheOracleVA. Across all social media platforms. You can click subscribe on this video, then click the bell. Right, click the bell so that anytime I release any other nice video like this, you would get the notification and you'll be able to get value. Enjoy it and get value. All right, see you when I come back, when I talk about the best audience you should be using on your ads to reduce your costs and help you convert faster. Right, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so we're back, right? And we're talking about the best audience you should use, all right, on your social media advert platforms to convert faster, to convert cheaper, all right, to get more value, help more people, right? Now, as I was saying, when you run ads, you can get 3 types of audiences, all right? You can get the audiences who don't know you, all right? I've never heard of you. You can get the audiences who have done business with you before. You probably have their contact, maybe their phone number or their email addresses. You can get audiences who know both of these people, all right? And you can reach those new audiences. They probably haven't heard of you before, but the people who have heard of you know them and they can help you get them, all right? So you can get these different types of audiences, all right? And those are the audiences we're talking about today. All right. Now, the first type, that's people who don't know you. Those are people that you target based on their interest or their online behavior. They buy a lot on Instagram. They click to watch many types of videos. They install apps from ads that they see online. All right. So those are the kind of things that they do. Right. They have interest. They visit football pages. They visit fashion pages. All right. So they have all this kind of interest too. And Facebook decides to provide all this interest and online behaviors and say, hey, you can target these people. And you click, woo, yes, I want to get in touch with those people. Right. But to get in touch with those people will cost you more. But rather than spending more on ads, you spend less. All right. You put $1, you put $2, small, right? And you want to compete against others that are putting a lot in the market, and you're wondering why you're not selling. One of the major problems is you are spending low on your ads, and you're trying to convert people who haven't heard of you. Do you understand? Maybe what you should have done is just let them know about you first before you try converting them. But what if you decided to do something else, right? There's another group of audiences called the custom audiences. These ones, they know you. They've done business with you before. So you have their email addresses, all right? Maybe you got their email addresses when, they come in, they signed up for something and you had their email addresses, right? Or you have their phone numbers. You've talked to them somewhere. You guys have had a discussion before, so you have their phone numbers, all right? Now, you can upload these phone numbers on Facebook and run ads to those people. And they will most likely convert because one, they would, hey, that's the Oracle. I know that guy, all right? Whatever he's selling is dope. It's cool. I think we should buy from him. I think it's good. Do you understand? And you post up another, you get, wow, that's Toss Creations, all right? Oh, whatever she's selling is awesome. This woman is good. I know her, and I think we can work with her. I think whatever she's selling, she's not fraudulent, right? You buy it, and it will be good. If there's any problem, any issue, she will change it. No questions asked, all right? Because there's an existing relationship. Now, you can use those people that you have an existing relationship, whether it's the custom audience, to run ads and get a lookalike audience. Do you understand? You can get a lookalike audience. Now, the lookalike audience that you get, you got them from the custom audience because they look like your custom audience. Do you understand? Lookalike audiences look like your custom audience, all right? They have the same behavior, they visit the same pages. They have a lot of things I like, all right? Probably work in the same place or live in the same city, all right? So, lookalike audiences have a lot of similarities with your custom audiences, but the difference is they do not know you. All right, you don't have any relationship with them, but because of the look-alike things, as in the things that connect both of them, the tendency for them to buy from you is way higher than the other guys. All right, is way higher than the interest and behavior guys, not the custom audiences. Custom audiences are number one; they will convert way faster. Right now, look-alike audiences are number two. All right, because of the relationship, they will convert more too. The least audiences that will convert are those that you get from interest and from online behavior. But that is where most of you spend your time. Interest and online behavior. Alright? And all the characteristics. But those guys don't know you. It will cost you more to convert them. So be ready to spend more because that's where you're spending your time. You are boosting, you are promoting, you are getting just interest and online behavior audiences. All right, so why not spend time learn how to run ads properly? Take my ads course, take my ads training course, right? That would help you. All right, you'll be able to pick all those other type of audiences. All right, and there's a secret thing I have. I combine all three audiences. It's possible. So I combine the interest and behavior and the custom and lookalike audiences. I combine all of them and get best value. You can do the same. All right, I talk about a lot of that in my Facebook ads training. All right, so you might want to get that. All right, and that would help you. All right, so if you have any questions as regards Facebook ads, Facebook marketing, social media marketing, any questions, any issues, send me a message. All right, you can reach me on WhatsApp 081 7710 8267. 234-081-7710-8267. Remember, I am the social media oracle, and you can reach me across all social media platforms at the Oracle VA. TheOracleva. All right. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share this video. All right. When you subscribe, click the notification button. All right. So I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for listening. Hope your marketing goes from to boom. See ya.